In making Chinese homemade noodles, you only need 3 ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 150 ml water, and 2 cups of bread flour. If you don't have bread flour, you can use all-purpose flour for your Chinese homemade noodles. Combine the salt to the bread flour and mix. Gradually add the water in 2 batches and mix. It will give the flour to absorb the water with each addition. We're going to use our hands for our easy and faster making. The mixture will form eventually into a shaggy dough after 5 minutes of kneading. Just like this. Once the dough is formed into a ball shape, it will look lumpy like this, and you will need to knead the dough for 15 minutes using your hands or 10 minutes more using your mixer. But please, don't be tempted to add more water because it will affect the texture of your noodles. We will cover the dough with a plastic wrap and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. During this time, it will continue to absorb the moisture and become more pliable and elastic. Using this thin sheet, we will spread some flour on its surface. And we will roll the 1/2 bread flour mixture or 1/2 of our dough into this thin sheet. can use your hands or you can use this rolling pin. Just put some flour. About 2 millimeters thick. This will take time. Flip over and thoroughly flour the other side. Once floured, we will fold the dough so you have 4 layers. Like this. We will slice this into our desired thickness. As you're cutting the noodles, we will gently separate it and toast with some flour to avoid sticking it to our hands. Looks like it looks like a udon noodles here in Japan. You can cut it in your desired length and thickness. We will set it aside and cut the remaining dough. We will do the same process with our remaining dough. We will flip this and put some flour on the surface and roll it again.
A few moments later.
This is our Chinese homemade noodles.